Hey guys, in this video we're going to cover what happens when you let a contract expire in the money if you don't have enough money in your account at the time, and also if you do have enough money in the account at the time. We'll cover both of those scenarios in this video. So without further ado, let's jump into it, and make sure to subscribe if you like the content, and make sure to comment if you want to learn anything else that you find interesting in the video. In the money and your contract expires with calls, you're gonna get assigned the shares, and you're gonna get assigned at the share price that you had the strike for. So what was your strike?
I had the 44.55.
Okay, so you are $5 in the money, $6.20 in the money or so. So the way this works is, since you purchased the contracts before the premium went up, you got it because the chances of the contract being executed in the money were as such that they were priced it that way, right? The contract was priced according to the risk that the market makers have of that contract becoming in the money. Does that make sense?
Right, which was like it was a 195 a contract.
Yeah. So when you bought them at 195, and then the SPX went up.
Right. Yeah. Closed at 6.1.
Yeah. So you aren't gonna make the money there. You're not. You in a way. I don't want to say you lost that money. In a way, you lost that money, but you only lost that money because you're going to get assigned the shares at a price that's lower than the current value. So tomorrow when the market opens and you have the shares, then you would be able to sell them right away. And that's where you're going to make your profit. Does that make sense?
Right. Okay. So even though I only paid the $1.95, I'm still getting the entire value of 5 whole shares. So
basically, your price will basically be, all right. So 4,455 plus 1.9. So basically, what you did was you paid 4,456.95. You just took these two together, and this is what you got. This is what you're going to be basically buying everything for. You basically bought the shares at this price, and then tomorrow, as long as we open up, that's kind of the trick. That's kind of the trick here. Yeah, 4461.18, let's just say. So you're gonna get, if you sell, which I assume you will, you're gonna get the difference here of $5, and this is 77 cents per share. Yeah, so definitely not most ideal situation for you, but at least you'll still be profitable potentially.
But then, so if I had 5 contracts, how many shares is that equivalent?
So 5 contracts times
100 shares per contract, no?
Yeah, that's right. So then we take this.
So then, how does that work if if I'm getting the shares for that price, but there's not enough money in the account, then what?
If your account does not have the sufficient cash to take delivery of the stock, the resulting shares will be sold instantaneously and credit your account the cost difference. So you should have this profit in your account.
Gotcha.
Tomorrow.
Unless we open up red and then I'm fucked.
No, actually, because they sell your shares instantaneously, so they sold them after market hours. Probably.
Oh, okay.
Your contract expired at 3 o'clock.
Interesting. All right. Well, yeah. I wrote down the account value, and then obviously when it resets everything tomorrow. I guess we'll see what it says. If the money was in the account, then that could be good, because if we open up, greener than where we were now, then that's where I guess it would really come into being a big play.
Yeah. So you're gonna make you just made $2,000 for $2,558, I think it was.
Gotcha. All right. Well, sweet.
Cool.
Yeah, I'll take it. But yeah, dude. Oh man. I mean, I think there were like 7 EMA crossovers today. Like, what a fake out day.
Yeah, it's pretty wild today. So.
For the end of the season. The Qs did good though. We're fucking smacked that on that quick one that you had.
Oh yeah, glad to see it. Glad to see you got some good calls today, and you got some good money on that. So.
Yeah, well, it was because then you said something about not being shy, so then I just like doubled down.
Yeah, I mean, it's the thing about trading is like you're gonna hear me say almost always, especially in the text chat, like you need to be careful, you need to be disciplined, but there's always those moments where if you're very confident about something, you should probably put more money down. And I will.
Agree. Yeah,
I'll pretty much never signal that, because then people get in a habit of like taking big positions and like get greedy. But like I'm at a point in my career where like I'm able to control those emotions a little bit more. And
yeah, and if you like, I mean, an easy way to tell everybody without indirectly saying it is like, the risk to reward factor is XYZ, and then we can calculate that in our own head. What it should be leveled for. No, yeah, it was good though, because it gives us an idea, like you said, to have conviction through yours because of the reasoning behind it.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Yeah. Well, I'm gonna let you go because I gotta get going to the gym.
We'll talk soon.
All right. Thanks a lot, man.